In a realm where green energy innovation was destined to shine, recent events have taken an electrifying twist. We're about to unveil the unexpected truth about a surge in fire-related incidents involving new energy vehicles. The numbers don't lie, and they're more shocking than you could imagine. According to information gathered by the Chinese Fire and Rescue Department from the Ministry of Emergency Management, a total of 3,640 electric vehicles caught fire in the first quarter of this year, marking a 32% increase compared to previous periods. This data highlights a concerning trend, where approximately 7 electric vehicles are at risk of catching fire every day. Let's delve into the heart of this trailblazing issue and discover what's really fueling these unexpected fires. These fires have affected different types of electric vehicles, from simple e-bikes to high-end Teslas. These fire incidents are an added challenge for the electric vehicle industry, which is already dealing with financial issues and limited infrastructure. Apart from the tragic loss of life in these well-known fire incidents, there's a risk that these events could slow down the progress of electric transportation. With the increasing popularity of electric cars, it's not surprising that the occurrence of fire-related incidents has also risen. Major automakers like General Motors, Ford Motor Company, and Hyundai Motors, among others, have faced significant costs due to recalls related to EV fires. China has also witnessed its share of fire incidents involving electric vehicles. Reports indicate that over 19,000 EVs have been involved in fire incidents in the country, underscoring the importance of focusing on safety measures and regulatory oversight. Notably, the leading EV manufacturer in China, BYD, has been linked to the highest number of fire-related incidents, raising discussions about manufacturer safety standards and the need for comprehensive quality checks during production. Among these concerning incidents, a particularly alarming case occurred in Fuzhou, Jiangxi, where a privately owned EV parked on the roadside suddenly ignited, causing shattered glass and debris to be forcefully ejected onto the street, narrowly missing a pedestrian. Electric vehicles generally have a lower risk of catching fire compared to traditional combustion engine vehicles. Nevertheless, despite the overall safety advantages offered by EVs, incidents involving fires have attracted significant media coverage, creating challenges for the EV industry. These isolated occurrences tend to attract public attention and raise concerns among potential buyers, which can hinder the broader acceptance of electric vehicles in the market. Instances of fires on ships carrying EVs have further highlighted the safety of lithium-ion batteries. A recent notable incident took place off the coast of the Netherlands, where a ship transporting nearly 3,000 cars caught fire. Reports from a Dutch news agency indicated that one of the 25 electric vehicles on board might have triggered the fire. While thorough investigations are crucial, such events intensify the focus on battery safety within electric vehicles. Even when the exact cause of the fire remains officially undetermined, lithium-ion batteries often come under suspicion. For instance, the Felicity Ace fire last year, which led to the sinking of around 4,000 vehicles on a ship, led to widespread speculation about the involvement of lithium-ion batteries. While some incidents might be sensationalized, it's important to acknowledge their occurrence, which can sometimes happen quite frequently. The core component of modern electric vehicles lies in their lithium-ion batteries. These batteries operate by enabling the movement of lithium ions within the system, facilitating the charging and discharging process. During these operations, a certain amount of heat is naturally generated. However, if the batteries are damaged or faulty, it can trigger an uncontrolled and self-sustaining rise in temperature, called thermal runaway. Thermal runaway presents a serious danger as it can cause individual battery cells to emit toxic gases or even fragments, resulting in fires that are challenging to contain. As per findings from the Beijing Institute of Technology, BIT, electric vehicles can experience fires during both summer and winter, albeit for distinct reasons. Notably, the highest frequency of fire incidents, 66%, in China was observed between May and September. The reported 86 cases of electric vehicle fires were distributed across various scenarios. Around 27.5% of the fires happened while the cars were being charged, while approximately 38.5% occurred while the cars were parked. Fires also took place during driving, and some incidents even followed collisions. In 7 occurrences, the causes still remain unidentified. The BIT attributes the heightened fire risk in winter to challenges in inadequately preheating the battery, leading to overheating during the charging of electric vehicles. Conversely, in the summer, the primary contributor to overheating is the elevated ambient temperature. Researchers underscore the significant role played by the extensive adoption of budget-friendly electric vehicles in China, which has resulted in the world's largest fleet of such vehicles. This factor should not be underestimated when considering the escalation of electric vehicle fire incidents in the country. Chief Fire Marshal Daniel Flynn recently revealed the substantial burden carried by the fire department due to the eruption of fires sparked by overheated lithium-ion batteries. During an exclusive interview with AM New York Metro, Flynn delved into the grave dangers posed by these batteries and the alarming death toll they're leaving behind. Recent statistics reveal that these EVs have become the source of hundreds of fires and multiple fatalities, jeopardizing both the general public and the lives of firefighters. Nevertheless, they also serve as the backbone of livelihood for thousands of delivery workers and individuals who depend on e-bikes to navigate the bustling streets of New York City. While acknowledging and respecting these vital roles, the FDNY chief has witnessed the catastrophic aftermath that these batteries have triggered over the past years. He emphasizes the necessity for people to be fully informed about these risks when making decisions about owning such products. Chief Flynn underlines, "They provide our citizens with a tremendous amount of flexibility in their schedule. It helps people in industries such as delivery services, commuting, recreation. There's a lot of good that comes from these EVs. But we just want to stress to people that there is a danger that comes related to the batteries." He urges awareness of the potential hazards that come alongside these conveniences. The risks are indeed substantial, as indicated by FDNY statistics. In 2021, Flynn disclosed that the city encountered 104 fires, resulting in 79 injuries and 4 fatalities. This escalated in 2022, with 220 fires believed to be ignited by lithium-ion batteries, causing 147 injuries and 6 deaths. Remarkably, in just the first 2 months of 2023, Flynn reveals that the year has already witnessed 30 fires, triggered by these batteries, leading to 40 injuries and 2 fatalities. Year after year, the department has grappled with a notable surge in these blazes, as Flynn notes that the phenomenon is widespread across the 5 boroughs, with the exception of Staten Island, which remains less impacted by these fires. With these batteries still readily available to the public, imposing a more heightened risk than ever, Flynn discloses that the FDNY has established a dedicated task force to investigate the underlying causes behind these incidents. In April 2022, a disturbing incident unfolded when a Tesla vehicle burst into flames following a collision with a tree in New Hampshire. The situation escalated to even greater alarm when the fire reignited later, this time in a toll line. Similarly, August 2022 saw BMW issuing a recall for specific BMW i4 and BMW iX models due to the potential fire hazard linked to their batteries. This issue isn't confined to cars alone. A tragic fire incident occurred in June, engulfing an e-bike repair shop near New York's Chinatown. Tragically, this event resulted in the loss of 4 lives of individuals who resided above the shop. Even more concerning is the stark reality that this year has witnessed 13 deaths in the city linked to fires caused by lithium-ion batteries. This is a significant increase, more than double the total recorded in the previous year as reported by the fire department. Furthermore, a video from Zhejiang province in eastern China went viral, showing 2 women making a dangerous choice to leap out of a moving electric car while it was on a highway, driven by the flames that had engulfed it. In Sacramento, California, a Tesla Model S caught fire while driving on the freeway. The city's fire department had to use 6,000 gallons of water to extinguish the flames that came from the battery and suddenly ignited on the highway. The exact reason for the fire is still not known. And if you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting news like this.